Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, May 22nd, 2026. We cover market movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The S&P 500 index ended at 7,474.7, up 28.34, continuing its very strong positive trend. The Dow 30 index closed at 50,579.70, up 294.3, marking a new all-time high with strong upward momentum. Indexes showed strong breadth today, with the S&P 500 index closing up with advances vastly outpacing declines at 354 to 135. The Nasdaq Composite Index also saw more advancers, supporting a robust rising trend. The Dow 30 Index achieved the highest week-to-date return among major indexes at 2.13%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 Index showcased a firm year-to-date growth of 9.18%, reflective of its strong performance in the market. Healthcare led sector gains with a 1.1% rise at 1,744.70, showing upward volatility. The technology sector continued its strong rally, closing at 6,715.33. Notably, the industrial sector broke out after a steady phase. In decline, the communications services sector fell 0.67% to 493.27. The consumer defensive sector trended down for 3 sessions, closing slightly down at 952.33, illustrating a challenging day for these sectors. Turkey topped global ETF performances, soaring 7.1% to 39.34. Finland hit a record high, closing at 56.74 amid increasing volatility. Taiwan demonstrated a robust rise, continuing a strong bullish trend. Taiwan displayed an impressive week-to-date total return of 6.09%, the highest among ETFs, benefiting from a persistent upward momentum. Conversely, Turkey had a notable year-to-date gain of 14.29% despite recent fluctuations. In today's session, Apple reached a new milestone, closing at an all-time high of 308.82, gaining 3.83. This marks its 4th consecutive rise and emphasizes its very strong positive trend. In contrast, Alphabet and Nvidia faced declines. Nvidia ended at 215.33, down 4.18, and is part of a very strong positive trend despite 2 declining sessions. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms continues its mixed performance with a slight increase of 2.88, while maintaining a strong negative trend amid 4 days of flatlining. Amazon also experienced a minor dip, closing at 266.32.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 75,754.40. shedding 1,793.22 amid a mixed negative trend and some downward volatility. Ethereum follows with a strong negative trend, priced at 2,066.27, down 65.69, experiencing a downward breakout after staying flat for a few days. BNB at 651.73 sees a minor decline, exhibiting a mixed positive trend. Continuing our crypto journey, Bitcoin shows a daily price at 75,754.40, with a week-to-date total return at minus 2.14%. Ethereum further stands out with a week-to-date decrease of 2.98%, while BNB dollars, the trend modestly upward at week-to-date 0.41%. Ending on a low note, Dogecoin sank 2%, cementing a mixed negative trend.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. On the currency front today, the US dollar is seeing varied performances against key world currencies. It is currently strengthening against both the euro and yen, showing a very strong positive trend and gains for 2 consecutive days. Conversely, the greenback weakened against the British pound and Swiss franc, breaking out from recent consolidation. Moreover, against the Australian dollar, the greenback demonstrates a mixed negative trend despite an upward breakout indicative of renewed momentum.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.